remove a background on a picture. It's going to be in like 60 seconds. This is like the fastest way you can possibly remove a background in Photoshop. So go ahead and open up a document, pull up a photo, and we're just going to remove the background here. And you can even just come over here to this toolbar, click the selection tool. It's going to pull up this two spots right here, select subject. Click select subject. And typically, if you have a complex photo, you might have to do a little bit more with the actual selection tool. But in this instance, it picked up that it was a person. Come over here in the layers panel and click the mask tool right here. Boom, just like that. Perfect. If you have a white background, this is going to be no problem. Say you needed to add a different color background on this though, that is actually going to require a little bit more touch and finesse. So I'm going to add a background layer. You can see there's a little bit of white on the hair here, and we're just going to go ahead and click on this layer here of the girl's hair. And this is the other tool you can use to remove a background, but we're going to use it to really clean this up really fast. And you don't even need to do this, but if you really want it to be super clean, make sure you click, when you have this tool, click the area that you want to remove, like this shade, and hold down, and you're going to start to remove that shade of color. Whatever you select, that first click is you're gonna just want to hold that down. You can start just going right over the hair, and it's gonna just start removing that shade. Now you can keep going with this and get a really clean and precise image. Remove that white out of there. Look how amazing this is. This mask is just like incredibly precise. Come over here, use the white, click the white and drag again, and it's gonna start to slowly remove any of the color that you're selecting in there. So we have to do it again. So this obviously can take some time because this is super detailed, but it works. You can see it slowly starting to remove. But if you're not changing the background layer or the background color, you're using white, obviously you wouldn't have to do this, but you can do that for just about any image. And just like that, you have a really nice cutout image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all later.